Hi friends, today we are discussion about what is software? What is software application? What is software product? What is software testing? Welcome to my channel, Gani Software Tester. Let's start the section. What is software? Software refers to a set of instructions and data that tell a computer what to do and how to do it. Software can be thought of as the non-tangible component of a computer system that enables the hardware to perform specific tasks. Examples of software include operating systems, applications, games, and utilities. What is software application? A software application, also known as an application or application program, is a computer program designed to perform specific tasks for end users. Applications are usually built to solve specific problems or to address particular needs, and can range from simple, single-function programs to complex, multifunctional software suites. Examples of software applications include word processors, spreadsheets, web browsers, media players, games, and project management tools. What is software product? A software product is a software system that has been developed and packaged for distribution and sale to end users. Software products can range from simple, single-function programs to complex, multifunctional software suites. They are designed to perform specific tasks, solve specific problems, or address particular needs, and can be sold either as standalone products or as part of a larger software package. Software products can be delivered in a variety of forms, including online downloads, pre-installed on hardware, or as cloud-based services. What is software testing? Software testing is a process used to evaluate the functionality of software applications and determine if they are working as intended. It involves executing the software and comparing its output or behavior against expected results, with the aim of identifying and fixing any bugs or defects. The purpose of testing is to ensure that software meets the specified requirements and is fit for its intended use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Please support my channel.